So today you did an activity with radian measures. So what we found was radian measures, similar to like Celsius and Fahrenheit. Radian is a different way to measure. And we know that pi radians equals 180 degrees. And that 360 degrees is then 2 pi. All right. So knowing that, we're going to break down a couple other radian measures that are quite frequent. And those have to do with our special triangles that we looked at the other day. So, sorry, I'm trying to come up with it here. Just give me 1 second. All right, so what angle measures do you think these are? Well, these are 45. So this is pi, so up here has to be pi over 2. What slice would just 45 degrees be? Well, that's going to be pi over 4 because it's 1/4. So pi over 4, 2 pi over 4. This would be 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4, this is 5 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4, which reduces down to 3 pi over 2. 7 pi over 4. And all the way back around is 8 pi over 4, or 2 pi. Now our other special measurement was 30 degrees. So if I do 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, right? So this is pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, or pi over 3, 3 pi over 6, pi over 2, 4 pi over 6, 2 pi over 3, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, or pi, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6. Down here another 30 would be 9 pi over 6. 10 pi, another 30, so 10 pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 3, and 11 pi over 6. So if we count by 30 degrees and 45 degrees. So a couple key things to remember. 30 degrees is equal to pi over 6, and 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to take a look at a delta math problem here. All right, so if we look at this, what fraction part of one semicircle does it represent? Well, 150. I know that's 150 over, let's see, of a semicircle. Can I delete this somehow? So I know that's 150 out of 180, right? And they're going to want it in simplest form. So I could take off the zeros. And now 15 over 18. They're both divisible by 3. So that's 5/6. So what does that mean in radians? So that'd be 5 pi divided by 6 radians. So if I look again, what is this of a semicircle? So that's 195 over 180. And again, so this is the correct answer, but you guys are going to see here. it's going to want it in simplest form. So again, if you're not liking your fractions, you could go to your calculator. And what's 195 divided by 180? Turn that into a fraction. So that's 13 pi over 12. And we'll see if it takes it there. Oh, it still wants those up here. All right, so you're going to be working on those, and you'll see it's always in terms of a semicircle, so comparing it to 180.